Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 colon here and here, we have 1 minus 1. You got about 0. This one you got about 0. So now we can use about L hospital in here. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 8e to the power of as minus be to the power of as. This one we have number 1. And now I will put number 0 colon here and here. So we have ae to the power of 0 minus be to the power of 0. And we have a minus b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.